Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we are out and about. Clearly, we're going shopping. Get in, we're going shopping. We are going to At Home. I want to just look for some home decor, and At Home is one of those stores that I don't shop at too often, but whenever I see home decor hauls, a lot of the girls are shopping at Home. So I want to check it out for myself. We also are filming for a sponsorship, so maybe you've already seen that, or I don't know when that's going up, but let's go shopping, see what we can find. I really want to make over the breakfast nook, but also depending on what we find, I don't know. We're just gonna look and see and shop, and whatever wants to come home with me, with us, Rob's here too, is what's coming home with us. So let's go shopping. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to hang out with us today, go shopping at Home, do a home decor haul at the end of this, then please just keep on watching. Guys, we are back from At Home and HomeGoods, and I got a lot of good stuff. Okay, I definitely struck gold at both of those places. That was my first time at an At Home, and I'm telling you, I was like overwhelmed by how much stuff they had. If you are in the market for home decor, you definitely got to go to At Home. Y'all didn't tell me. Nobody told me to go there, but now that I went there once, I fear I'll be going all the time because the stuff was so good. So let's get into a haul of everything that I picked up. Okay, I turned the camera down a little bit so you can see. I need to move this out of the way. Like I actually, okay, because I need to get in here. Let's start with the HomeGoods things because I filmed a short form, so they're already pretty much out. First things first, can we get into these mugs? I think these are so nice. I really want to redo the breakfast nook area, like the console tape, no, the sideboard that we have. I want to redecorate that a little bit, so I thought this could be nice. Obviously it's functional. Hold on, this is heavy. Obviously it's functional because we drink a lot of tea, so we need mugs always, but also it adds height because of this stand that they're in. I just thought that was perfect. I also got some faux stems here, again from HomeGoods. I love these. I think they just look really, really nice, and I figure in a vase, obviously, like these are just a great flower. You can't go wrong with like a round, like hydrangea, which that's what these are, but like any round type of flower, I think it just looks so nice. I got this vase here. Well, okay, I'm using this as a vase this is not a vase, this is a utensil holder. But I don't know, to me, I'm like, this kind of looks like a vase. I feel like this could be cute, even on its own, with stems in, with no stems. Like, I just kind of like this. You can't go wrong with like simple pieces like this. It just makes the space look more styled to have unique little wooden things. I don't know, I just really like this. I have been on the hunt for hurricane vases like this. I have looked high and low and they have been so expensive. I don't know what it is, but every time I look for a vase like this, it's like over $50. You know, you see that red tag. When you see that red tag, you know what it is. These were only $6. $6 each. There were a ton of them. I was like, oh, I should get more, but I was like, no, let's not go too crazy. I only need 2. I'll just do 2. I think that would be really, really nice. With candles inside, I got these by the brand Sand and Fog. They're just short little pillar candles I thought could be really cute inside these vases. Speaking of candles, I got this one by the brand 96. I had never heard of this brand or saw this brand. I posted about this and one of you all commented that it's your favorite brand of candles at HomeGoods. So I'm excited to burn this. Obviously it smells amazing. Like, it's very fresh, but there's kind of like a sweetie, like not undertone, but like note. There's something sweet in this and I just really, really like it. So excited to burn this. And then everything is sitting on top of this basket. Hold on, let me move everything. Okay, so this wicker basket, I just thought this was so well made. Like, the wicker material just feels really strong and sturdy, and I just love this basket. If you have decor like that's similar to mine, it can look really sterile really fast. Even in all this white, it kind of gives sterile a little bit, but a way to sort of counteract that is to add more wooden pieces like this with more texture, just to make it feel a little bit cozier. I was thinking of putting this on our coffee table in the living room or on our breakfast nook table because, like I said, I want to redo that area. So I just really liked this. It's nice. You could put candles on this. You could put a vase with flowers. Really simple, but I like that. So I also got 2 coffee table books. I got one that's called The Landscape of Home. I just really like this. I've been gravitating more towards coffee table books that are more like nature, flowers, greenery. Like, to me, not only am I just like interested in that, like I think it also looks nice. It's a nice pop of color, okay? And yeah, it's really nice. It's like a solid coffee table book. Anyway, then I also got this one. It's Create, and it's a ton of home decor inspiration. So I'm thinking I'll probably look through this when I'm decorating the breakfast nook and get some inspo. Okay, moving on. Put that in there. Even that looks cute like that. I like that. I also got this lamp. This lamp was 20 bucks. I'm sorry. I was like, oh, I have to have you. Super cute. It's kind of like this gold hammered like texture. And again, either for the breakfast nook, maybe in the living room, you can't go wrong with a small lamp like this. You can literally put it on a console, in a corner, in an entryway. And I'm just such a lighting girl. You hear me say that all the time. Dim lights to me just make the space look 10 times better. If you're looking at the room and you're like, oh, I don't know, I feel like something's missing, add a lamp, add some spotlights, light a candle, and wait till the sun sets and then see how you feel. I'm telling you, the lighting can completely transform the room. So that's everything that I got at HomeGoods. Now let's get into everything that I picked up at home. We'll start with this basket here. I got a ton of faux stems. They were 50% off and the original price was $6.99. I was like, oh, I'm getting a ton of these. I got these beautiful roses. Are they roses? Yeah. Sometimes roses and peonies, especially in a faux stem, look similar. So I got these light pink sort of blush roses. These ones are super tall. Then I got this bunch of faux stems here. I normally don't get faux stems where they're all connected into one like this. I much prefer like individual ones because I like to make an arrangement what I want it to look like. But I really liked this flower. Is this why it was 50% off? Okay, the math is mathing because what? How? Here it is right here, the stem part. Okay, maybe we'll have to glue that because I'm obviously not going all the way back up to Charlotte to return these. So anyway, I still like them. Like, I can't lie, they're still really pretty. You just have to be very careful with them. So here's what I mean. I have this vase and you could literally put it in like this. Actually, I don't know if I would do it like this, but yeah, simple, really cute. I thought this would be nice. I could work with this. We'll figure that out. And then I also got a ton of roses that are a smaller size. So maybe even this in here. Actually, I really like that. I actually really like that. I think that's a lot better. These smaller ones, surprisingly, were $7.99 and 50% off. I don't know. Anyway, those are the faux stems that I got. And then I also got these placemats. My mom actually has something similar and I love them, but I wanted to get my own set and a full set of 6. I don't even know. Hopefully the camera is not washing this out, but they look like this. They're like this beaded placemat, $12.99. I got 6 of them. I thought this would be absolutely beautiful. And I also like these because they're kind of, I was gonna say timeless, but that's not what I mean. They're like year round. It doesn't scream Christmas, it doesn't scream spring, it doesn't scream fall. So it's like I can put this out year round and then just switch up the table decor, switch up the flowers to really bring in the season. So I like to get something that's neutral, that goes with everything. That way the little accents like pink flowers for spring, I could switch it up and do red roses for the fall time. So that's what I got there. Then moving on, all of these are kind of wrapped up, so I'm only gonna get one out. I got these plates. 50% off. They look like this. They're clear, but they also kind of have like a seafoam green tinge to them and almost like these water droplet slash like bubbles. I don't even know if the camera is picking that up, but I thought these were so different. Like I thought these were so different and unique. And I also figured, because these are clear on this placemat, like I don't know, I just really like this. I think this is just simple, effortless. You're not doing too much. You know, the seafoam green is kind of like a color, but it's not. Like, I just think these are super nice. They were 50% off and I got 6 of them. Okay, so all of those are in this bag. That was the plate. Okay, what else? And if you have been following for a while, you know I have wanted new silverware for so long. I definitely fell victim to the trend of gold silverware, which is gorgeous. And if yours is like a high quality gold and it's still lasting, go for it. I love that. But the gold that I got was cheapy gold, and so it is fading. So now my gold silverware is turning silver, and I'm just thinking like that can't be healthy. That can't be good for you to be like eating off these forks that are fading and like the gold is coming off. I'm not messing with that. So I got some new silverware, and this is such a timeless style. Do you see that? I love the design at the bottom, like the design down here. It just reminds me of like classic traditional silverware, and I just love these. So I actually got 2. I got a set of 2. I got a set of 2 of these because it only comes with 4, and I try to get everything in 6, but 8 is fine too. 8 is probably actually better, honestly. So silverware. Then I also picked up this vase. How stunning is this? Like, I just think this is so pretty. I love the shape of this. I love like the natural element to this. I think this is so incredibly pretty. I was thinking these taller, oops, the tag just came off. I was thinking sort of like maybe these, ooh. Hold on now. The amount of times that we hit these is like, this is not the first time we hit these things all the time. Anyway, I figured a taller stem sort of like this would look nice. I obviously have to like bend it and mold it, but you get the idea. Like, this is a statement. This is so pretty. Actually, this is so tall it might not even fit underneath there, but I just think this is really pretty. Oh my God, not again. I love the vase. Whoa there, let me calm down. Let me calm down. I just love this vase. I think this is extremely beautiful. This is such great quality, and it was only $35. Like, okay, period. Okay, next, while I was at HomeGoods, I'm obviously filming for a sponsorship. This part is not sponsored, but I'm filming for a sponsorship, and I wanted to kind of give this dining room a refresh. So I figured on the dining table, this marble, I don't know if it's a cake stand technically or what, but I just figured I could put like appetizers on here. You could even do like a cake. You could even do like, I don't know, like some sort of like dessert on here. I just think that these risers make such a big difference when you're doing a tablescape. Like, it just adds height, it adds some visual interest. The marble is beautiful, it's real marble, and I love the gold like actual stand part. So I just thought this would be really pretty, and on the tablescape, like what I'm visualizing, this is gonna look nice. Oh my gosh, wait, HomeGoods, I forgot, I had one more thing from HomeGoods. You guys, These bowls right here, I just think these are so cool and different. They were $10. They look like this. I thought for like salads, honestly, any meal. At first I was like, is this even for food? Like, is this food safe? But it says that it is. So I just think they're so pretty and different. They also came in like this seafoam green, which I thought could be really pretty. I only got 2 because we have a ton of plates already. So I was like, you know what? These are just different and unique. I don't need a whole set. These are just fun. These are just 2 little fun plates. If I want to do like pasta in here, salad, like whatever it is, like, I don't know. I just thought these were really cute and different. Okay, and then next up, I got some glassware. We're back to at home now. This glassware I think is so pretty. They're like wine glasses, but honestly, you could even do like juice in here. Like, I don't know. I just really liked these. I wanted to definitely get something that was glass, and you can see it here. It's obviously like the same seafoam green. Hopefully you can see it on camera, but I thought these with the plates would look so nice and just delicate and simple for spring. So that's kind of the vibe that I'm going for. I got a set of 6 of these, and yeah, so I'm excited to sort of like decorate with these. Let's put together a tablescape now. I'm doing this for the sponsorship, but I also wanted to do it like long form so you could kind of see the whole process and we could go into more detail. So let's put all this away and start decorating the tablescape. Okay guys, and this is what the dining room table is currently looking like. I absolutely love it. To me, it looks perfect for spring, a spring brunch, a Mother's Day brunch. I seriously could not be happier with it. I think it's so cute. Of course, it's very neutral. It's very soft. You all know my style by now. Okay, it never sways, honestly. I will try to link as much as I can down below in the description box. But I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. This was a fun little shop with me vlog. Hopefully it could give you some inspiration for a spring tablescape of your own. And me and the dining room, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.